Very happy new year to you. Yes, this is the new year and this is the year of success. This will be the year of success. This 2023, after a pandemic, there was no vacancy, no job, exam was not going on, and lots of problem we face. But in this 2023, it is showing us lots of opportunity because those who are preparing for NET, as it is 2023, three times you will get the chance to attend the exam, and it's a big opportunity. And already different states are conducting the SET exam. They already released the notification and they have started to taking this exam. So many universities are taking PhD entrance also, and different states are recruiting the assistant professor. Other than that, KVS already released the notification for taking the lots of job opportunity. Other than that, Army Public School, NVS, they are also coming, and that's why now lots of areas are there to do research, to do PhD, to be assistant professor, to be a teacher or any other job. That's why this 2023 should be your year of success. So what to do for that? For that, you need to dedicate yourself for your preparation. Don't waste your time here and there. Just be dedicate yourself every day. Every morning try to wake up early, and I will tell you, this year you can get every day extra 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hours also, and you can dedicate yourself for your learning. How? Because try to make a routine. I have to go to sleep within 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. and I will wake up at morning around 4 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. or within 5 a.m. Whatever, whenever you are waking up, try to make it that every day I have to wake up 5 minutes early. In this way, if you are trying to make a habit, then you will see after 30 days you can wake up 150 minutes early. Every day 5 minutes means 30 into 5, 150 minutes early. So you can understand how you can improve and where you can get extra time. This is actually the habit. You cannot blame ourselves, you cannot blame others. Don't blame others. Don't try to put your responsibility to others. You are the driver of your success. You are the driver of your life. You will be happy for yourself. You will be, if you are not getting success, that is also your responsibility. So first of all, work on changing yourself, change your habit, change your attitude, and after that you will see that everything will be changed, every surrounding will be changed. It's the fact. We are trying to put the eyes on others rather than ourselves. Ask yourself, am I giving my 100%? If you are giving your 100%, if you are dedicated enough, if you are motivated enough, then nobody can stop you to crack this year 2023. And that's why stay tuned with this channel and be with me. I will definitely help you to, so that you don't want to waste your time. Yes, you no need to waste your time for searching material, for searching question paper. What are the importance area? Everything I am giving you. Already important topics of computer science is there. 10 already 20 topics I have uploaded in that playlist. What's that playlist? Expected MCQ playlist is also there. I'm going to start the previous year's question series for 2021 2020. And not only NET exam, SET exam, GATE exam, or other important exam. If you are interested for KVS, then I will start that also. Yes, I am trying to dedicate yourself for you as much as possible. That's why you have to be with me. And rather than that, no need to be with anyone, just be with you. That is more important. You have to help yourself. Yes, you have the superpower. If you are helping yourself. Just I am dedicating myself for my success, and at the end of this year I can tell you that yes, ma'am, I got the success. This is the year of the success. At the end of the year, you can come to this video and you can write down, yes, this is the year of the success. Not on the end of the year. Whenever you are getting success, then only come to this video and write down, yes, this is my year of success. And now try to write down in the comment, yes, I will crack, I will achieve my dream, and I will get success in this year. Promise yourself. That's why time management, emotion management, motivation management, and personality management, health management, these are very very important. Without that you cannot do it. So be careful about your health, about your emotion, about your personality, about your attitude, and about your family also. So these are the things, without that we cannot get success. And you have to learn in proper way, smart strategy, less is more, because unnecessary working hard will not be helpful. Rather than that, you have to focus on perfectly what to learn and what not to learn. That's why I am here. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Happy New Year again.